Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the new PMax upgrade that is currently rolling out right now. It's the middle of September, so probably by the time this video comes out, most accounts should have this facility. And that is that Google is now providing asset level conversion reporting. And that just means they've added some columns. So prior to now in PMax, when you looked at your asset report, it really would just show you a relative performance number, or not number, but Google would essentially say best, good, or low. Or learning, I think, was the other one if you don't have enough data yet. And so you'd have kind of a relative idea of which headlines and images and videos and whatnot are performing best and which ones probably should be swapped out. But not great, right? you know, you never really had a great sense of if low meant that, that particular asset was not running much at all, or if it was running a lot and just not performing, or really what was going on. So with the new conversion numbers, you do get conversions, you get conversion value, and you get value per conversion. Unfortunately, you don't get any ROAS, but such is life. But the main numbers, conversion value and conversions, you can now eyeball very quickly, and very clearly see, which of your headlines and which of your long headlines, your descriptions, and your images are the ones that are actually generating. You can see, especially with these descriptions, that this one here has 1,000 conversions. This one has 750, and then everything else basically has nothing. So, in the past, we had low, low, low for these descriptions, which again say, okay, well, they're not great, so we need to swap them out. Whereas this is best and good. But look at the difference between best and good really isn't that much, right? It's 25% more conversions. It's even less of a difference in terms of conversion value. So you would assume this would be quite significantly better than the one that's marked good, and not so, right? So this is where numbers are really helpful. So, if you haven't checked your PMax in a while, now would be a good time to look and see if you have this reporting. Again, you have to add these columns. I don't believe they're added automatically. And once you have that, and you should be able to do a much better job of optimizing your creative based on real data and not just some subjective viewpoint from Google, right? I guess it's objective, but we don't know what that objective means. Anyway, so we're really happy for this at my agency because we can really optimize this a lot better. I do hope that this feature drops for RSAs as well, because it would be really nice to have conversion level reporting for headlines and descriptions, and also everything else. But yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you find this new feature useful, and I will see you next time.